to do this weekend. Thank you so much for joining us on this Labor Day weekend. It's Saturday morning, September 3rd. I'm Katrina Smith. And as we kick off your Labor Day holiday weekend, let's get you right over to the Weather Center with meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, so I think we have a couple of nice days and then maybe some mediocre days for the holiday weekend, right?
Yeah, so today looks to be the best bet for doing anything outdoors.
Sure.
Mostly dry, if not mainly dry. Then looking ahead towards Sunday, isolated pop-up showers possible, especially south of the Mohawk Valley, and then widespread showers possible as look ahead towards Labor Day itself. So definitely some much-needed rainfall. Looking ahead towards Monday, not expecting any severe weather at this point, but still today looks to be the best bet. If you're planning to go outside, go to the New York State Fair. Partly sunny skies, temperatures in the low to mid 80s. Live look at a York for Battery Storm Tracker 2. Top of the radar, we are dry across the area this morning, and current temperature is already at 66 degrees in the Utica-Rome region. Current dew points, how we measure humidity, it will be slowly on the rise over the next several days. Still very pleasant outside right now, but it will be a changing case as we look ahead towards the next several days. Weather headlines: pleasant today, pop-up shower or storm possible tomorrow, and widespread showers possible as we look ahead to Labor Day. Now today, highs in the 80s with partly sunny skies. I have more details on what to expect for rainfall heading to Labor Day coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you so much, Eric. Today on
New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A beautiful start to the holiday weekend today with temperatures warming up from the 60s and then eventually reaching the 70s and low to mid 80s, especially in lower elevations. As a look at our Caveat Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica, we're seeing fair conditions across the area this morning. However, looking ahead towards the next several hours, increasing cloud cover from the west. As we take a look on the New York State Mesonet, as you can see, blue skies out towards the east, towards Springfield and Oppenheim, Herkimer. But as you can see, out towards Morrisville and Westmoreland, we're seeing some higher level clouds and mid level clouds moving through our area this afternoon. And looking ahead towards a mostly dry day with chance for rain showers looking to arrive by tomorrow. Live look at our York for Battery Storm Tracker 2. Doppler radar, similar story. Dry conditions across the area this morning. As we head around the clock throughout the day today, temperatures are going to warm up into the lower to mid 80s, especially once again in lower elevations. A bit in the cooler side and higher elevations, especially the North Country and Southern Valleys. Highs reaching the upper 70s to low 80s. Now, looking ahead towards weather grades across the board, plenty of sunshine, but still overcast skies to partly cloudy skies across the area this afternoon and evening. Looking ahead towards a mostly dry day. Now, a rainfall outlook as once again heading into Sunday, there's a chance for an isolated shower or pop-up shower or storm, especially south of the Mohawk Valley for tomorrow. Those rain chances skyrocket on Monday. Details on that come up in just a second. But after that, isolated showers and a few lingering showers are possible on Tuesday before we dry out for the middle of next week. Radar and satellite composite, what is going to be causing our rain showers over the next several days? Well, after this high pressure moves out towards the east, we're having a cold front moving in from the northwest. Now, this will be slowly stalling and forming into a stationary front. Now, this will be causing rain showers from this low pressure out towards the south to basically glide these showers up over our area, producing widespread showers heading into Monday. Now, after pop-up showers and storms possible on Sunday, that looks to be the case heading into Labor Day. For today, though, mostly dry, highs reaching the lower to mid 80s with some sunshine and a few passing clouds. Increasing chances for rain showers primarily south of the Mohawk Valley for tomorrow morning. And then looking ahead to mostly dry for the morning hours on Sunday, and then once again a pop-up shower or storm possible in the Mohawk Valley or south heading into Sunday evening. And then looking ahead towards a Monday, possibility of a washout heading into Monday afternoon and evening, especially in the morning, seeing some widespread showers, and continuing into the afternoon and evening, looking to be a very rainy day heading into Labor Day itself. Recap of the weather today: high of 85, pleasant conditions, a few passing clouds. Tonight, a low of 66 on the mild side. Tomorrow, high of 79, mostly dry. A pop-up shower or storm cannot be ruled out, once again, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. In our 7-day forecast, looking ahead towards mostly dry conditions today, widespread showers possible on Monday for Labor Day, and that dry weather looks to return heading into the next week. And our trivia question: what type of cloud is fog?
I have no idea. You can't tell because you're in them when it's fog.
Do you want me to a hint or
narrow it down?
Narrow it down? Okay, it is not A or D.
I would have guessed A. So let's say stratus, because aren't cirrus usually high?
Yes, you're right. It is
Woo!
stratus. And
How about that? Little help.
Yeah, stratus are basically like blankets of clouds. So whenever you think of stratus clouds, you see like a mostly overcast day with some rain showers, and that's basically fog. Just stratus clouds, but just near the surface.
They're just stretching out there so you can't see while you're driving.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Eric. Now, we're dealing with nice. Thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend today. A beautiful start to your Labor Day weekend. I'm Katrina Smith. Get you right over to the Weather Center. Meteorologist Eric Gage can tell you when you can barbecue, when you can't, and what you can do all weekend long. Right, Eric?
Yes, and the best day is going to be today, mostly dry. The rain chances increase heading into Sunday, and more widespread showers are possible on Labor Day. So if you're planning anything outside, your best bet is going to be today. Now, doing a quick recap, it's been a very quiet hurricane season. In fact, let's take a look at our hurricane tracker right now. And because the start of September, we now have 2 tropical storms. Tropical storm Danielle weakened from a hurricane yesterday. It's moving west at 1 mile per hour. We're not concerned about that one. We are keeping an eye on Tropical Storm Earl. This is moving northwest at 13 miles an hour. Most tracks have it going right up the East Coast away from land, but there is one path that has it going closer to landfall. We'll be monitoring this tropical storm over the next several days. Another note, drought monitor, we are on the dry category. It has increased for most of the southern valleys, and still the North Country is above average for rainfall, as well as the Mohawk Valley still could see some much needed rainfall. And over the next several days, looking ahead at towards tomorrow, increasing chances for rain showers, and then eventually on Monday, the highest chance of rain showers looking to be widespread. However, for today, plenty of sunshine, plenty of clouds as well. Temperatures warming up into the mid-80s of your full weekend forecast, including when to expect rainfall, and breaking it all down for you coming up. Back over to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. And to look back
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A dry and pleasant day across central New York today, with highs reaching the low to mid 80s in lower elevations and the upper 70s to low 80s in higher elevations. In fact, let's take a look at our Cooperstown camera overlooking a main street in Cooperstown. Pleasant conditions so far. Increasing clouds will be the story for this afternoon, but still expect some peaks of sunshine. Other than that, some mid-level to upper-level clouds will be in the forecast for today. Live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry across the area this morning, and we look to remain dry throughout the day today. This looks to be the best day this holiday weekend to spend time outside or get any outdoor activities done, or any outdoor yard work as well, as increasing chances for rain showers look to be in the forecast for tomorrow as well as Monday. Skywatch this morning checking in 57 Gray, 57 Curtis Corners, 59 in Mohawk, 65 degrees in Clinton, with 63 degrees in New Hartford. In the southern valleys, temperatures in the 60s, 64 in Cooperstown, and 63 degrees in Edmiston. As we head around the clock today, we do warm up into the upper 70s to low 80s. Once again, especially in lower elevations, it will be different, especially if you are in higher elevations in the North Country or southern valleys. And across the board for weather grades, you can still see some sunshine across the area today, but still expect to see some cloud cover moving throughout the area as a system moves in from the south. Now, rainfall outlook over the next several days. Dry today. Isolated pop-up showers or storms look to be in the forecast for tomorrow. If they develop into storms, all has to do with cloud cover. However, heading into Monday, a system comes in from the south, bringing widespread showers, and after that, lingering showers on Tuesday, and we do dry out again, looking ahead towards Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. Now, this is all due to both a cold front from the north as well as a low pressure system from the south. Now, as these start to combine, this will form into a stationary front and basically sit still. This will act as a highway for water to move through the atmosphere, as a low pressure down from the south will bring in some warm, humid air and cause widespread showers heading into Labor Day itself. On our Skycast today, warming up into the lower to mid 80s with peaks of sunshine, but still an overall pleasant day across the area. Isolated pop-up showers look to be in the forecast for the early morning heading into Sunday, especially south of our area. And heading into the afternoon and evening on Sunday, most chances of pop-up showers and storms look to be in the Mohawk Valley or south. North Country looks mostly dry. Now after that, rain showers look to be in the forecast for Monday. Widespread showers in the morning, and they do continue throughout the afternoon and evening. Looks to be a soaker, and not expecting any severe weather at this point for Monday. Recap of the weather today, high of 85, pleasant conditions. Tonight, a low of 66 on the mild side with increasing humidity. In our 7-day forecast, after tomorrow, high of 79, mostly dry and a pop-up storm. And after that, dry weather looks to be in the forecast. After Tuesday, lingering showers, high temperatures reaching the upper 70s to low 80s. And our trivia question, no hurricanes recorded for this past August. How many times since 1950 has this happened?
I'm going to go with 3 because I feel like we usually have more active hurricane seasons early on.
Yes, and you're right. Three times since 1950. So you got 2 for 2 on the trivia question.
Right?
Today.
I need a little help with the first one, but this one I just kind of, yeah.
I'm trying to trick you, but I can't anymore.
I'm sure everyone at home got it too because it just, yeah.
Is it just easy? No, just 3 hurricanes. It's actually been a pretty quiet season so far. I mean, thankfully, a pretty quiet season.
Danielle was our first named hurricane this season, and it was late.
Really late. It's September, I think. Maybe late August. I have to check on that. But
Thank you so much, Eric. Okay, so the Susquehanna
Forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
good evening. And this morning we did see temperatures and humidity on the lower side this morning, but it has quickly warmed up in some areas into the low 80s and upper 70s, including the humidity. In fact, take a look at the dew points across our area. It was in the lower 50s for dew points earlier on this morning, but it has jumped almost 10 degrees across some parts of the area, dew points in the upper 60s. So that definitely feels a little bit more humid out so far this evening. Now, a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry across the area this evening, and current temperatures look to be in the 70s across the area. We did peak out in the low 80s in the Mohawk Valley. Weather headlines, unsettled weather starts to begin later on tonight. A pop-up shower or storm is possible tomorrow, especially those rain chances look to be in the southern valleys. And do have updates on rainfall for Labor Day, especially the widespread rainfall we were expecting earlier on is looking to be moving down towards the south. So far this evening, expect pleasant conditions, a bit on the humid side of your full Labor Day forecast coming up. Back over to you, Jolene.
Thanks, Eric. NASA's
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Hopefully everyone has been enjoying their extended Labor Day weekend. In fact, the weather has been cooperating for the most part. However, the weather begins to turn unsettled over the next several days. There's a live look at our Mirabito camera overlooking the city of Oneonta, seeing some overcast skies with a mix of sunshine. That has pretty much been the story over the past several hours. Some peaks of sunshine with some higher level clouds, but still a mostly dry day. The humidity has been rocketing into the lower 60s to mid 60s for dew points. Other than that, a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are dry across the area this evening. Keep an eye on some storms developing out towards the Finger Lakes. They start moving out towards our area tonight and early tomorrow morning, weakening into just some isolated showers. But still, we keep an eye as the weather does turn unsettled heading into tonight. Looking to get some yard work done over the next several days. It'd be on the iffy side for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. In fact, early on for Sunday before some pop-up showers and storms are possible, especially in the evening. Monday is a big if, and that just basically depends on where the stationary front moves through your area, depending on widespread showers or possibly even completely dry conditions. More on that coming up in just a second. And after that, lingering showers possible on Tuesday. The dry weather looks to return heading into Wednesday. Skywatchers checking in, 75 West Leiden, 80 degrees in Gray, 75 Curtis Corners, 79 in Clinton, and 78 degrees in Barneveld, the Southern Valleys. Temperatures in the 70s, 75 Cassville, 77 Eaton, 78 degrees in Whitesboro, with 74 in Milford at 75 degrees in Worcester. Radar and satellite composite shows a high pressure moving out towards the east and a low pressure arriving from the southwest that could be producing some scattered showers into the evening hours tomorrow. They'll be on the pop-up side, so we're not expecting any long-lasting showers. However, heading into Monday, this is a cold front moving into our area and stalling into a stationary front due to this high pressure delaying this front moving. Now, this all depends on where this front lands on what we see for rainfall heading into Monday or Labor Day. Now, under Skycast tonight, cooling down into the 70s and 60s, a very mild night tonight with the higher humidity. With some clouds moving through our area tomorrow, a pop-up shower or storm possible. The highest chance looks to be in the southern valleys. Now, as you can see, widespread showers on our Skycast. However, this is an earlier model. The latest info has those showers moving further south towards the Catskills. So any new information will be arriving tomorrow with the newest models. But still, the current trend is showing more dry conditions for Labor Day. So a recap. Stationary front moving further south, widespread rainfall mainly south of us for Monday, and areas most likely to see steady rain will be in the southern valleys. This evening, temperatures in the 70s, cloudy and some mix of sunshine as well. Tonight, mild with the chance of a shower, low of 66. Tomorrow, high of 79, mostly dry. A pop-up shower or storm cannot be ruled out. In our 7-day forecast, after Tuesday, the dry weather comes into our area on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with plenty of sunshine as the high pressure builds in from the west.
Coming up next, the Courier.
At your forecast tonight at 11, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Looking ahead towards tonight, we are tracking an increase of rain showers arriving over the next several days, including tonight. There's an increase of rain showers, especially south of the Mohawk Valley. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're seeing mostly dry conditions across the area this evening and into tonight. We're keeping an eye on some storms developing from the west. These will be lingering into our area over the next several hours. If you were in the northern Oneida County and north into northern Herkimer County, you should be mostly dry for this evening. But still, if you're in the southern valleys, you could see a pop-up shower or storm overnight tonight. Current temperature is 70 degrees in the Utica-Rome region with some cloud cover moving through our area. Still, humidity is very high with dew points in the upper 60s. Now, weather headlines, unsettled weather once again begins later on tonight. A pop-up shower or storm is possible tomorrow after a dry start to the Sunday morning. We do have updates on the rainfall heading into Labor Day. Looking ahead, not expecting a washout entirely, but still lingering showers are possible in the southern valleys. Now tonight, cooling down into the 60s, and a full breakdown of your Labor Day forecast coming up. Back over to you, Jolene.
Thanks, Eric. NASA's
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. After a couple of days of a pleasant weather across the area, the weather begins to turn unsettled as we look ahead towards tomorrow as well as Labor Day. Let's take a quick recap of the weather so far today. The high 81 degrees, the low 54. So overall and mostly average day, a bit on the warmer side for the highs, and the humidity did kick in later on so far this evening. Now looking ahead towards the next several days, weather starts to turn unsettled. Live look at our Maverick camera overlooking the city of Oneonta. Things are looking dry right now. And a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, mostly dry. We are keeping an eye on some pop-up showers moving into our area. These will primarily remain at south of the Mohawk Valley tonight, and they will be on the brief side that will fire up and then weaken very quickly. Do not expect a complete washout for some of these showers, but if you are in the southern valleys, make sure you plan accordingly and leave windows closed, especially in those areas. As we head on the clock tomorrow, we do start out in the 60s and warm up into the upper 70s by the afternoon. The humidity will still be a factor, and along with that, the weather grades across the board. Lingering showers come to the end in the morning, and after that, a pop-up shower or storm cannot be ruled out in the afternoon and evening, especially after 2 p.m. tomorrow. Make sure, once again, you plan your outdoor activities accordingly. Make sure you remain weather aware. Now, none of these storms look to be up here on the severe side, but still, they could produce locally heavy downpours. Radar and satellite composite shows a cold front arriving from the north, moving into our area, heading into tomorrow. Now, this will start slowing due to this high pressure south of us, and it'll start morphing into a stationary front. What this will do, this will cause a highway for rain showers to move through some parts of the area. Now, the current trend shows a stationary front moving south of our area right now. So most of the rainfall looks to be south, closer to the Catskills. However, some lingering showers can move into the southern valleys as well as southern Mohawk Valley heading into Sunday and Monday. On our Skycast tonight, cooling down only into the 60s with mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies depending on your location. And then heading into Sunday, warming up into the upper 70s, and then a pop-up shower or storm possible in the southern valleys and mainly south of the Mohawk Valley for tomorrow. And after that, lingering showers move through the area heading into Monday for Labor Day. And as you can see, the highest chance of rain showers look to be south of the Mohawk Valley and mostly in the southern valleys. Now, the heaviest rainfall outside of our area looks to be directly south towards the Catskills. Tonight, a low of 62, mild with a chance of a shower or a pop-up storm overnight. Tomorrow, high of 79, mostly dry, and a pop-up storm cannot be ruled out heading into the evening. Our 7-day forecast, lingering showers on Tuesday. After that, dry weather looks to be the factor Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, with highs reaching the upper 70s to low 80s. Tauha?
Coming up next.